In this video, I'll discuss preparation of solution from a pure compound. To prepare 100 ml of 1 molarity of sodium hydroxide using pure sodium hydroxide solid, we must follow the following 6 steps. Step 1, calculate the required mass. This one is we call it paperwork. Now let us consider the given quantity. The first given quantity is molarity of sodium hydroxide, which is equal to 1 molar. And the second one is volume of solution, which is equal to 100 ml, which is equal to 0.1 liter. Now the required one is mole of sodium hydroxide, which is equal to how much? Solution. Molarity of sodium hydroxide is equal to mole of sodium hydroxide over volume of solution. Molarity and the volume of solution is given here. Therefore, calculating mole of sodium hydroxide is so simple. Molarity of sodium hydroxide into volume of solution, which is equal to 1 molar into 0.1, which is equal to 0.1 mole. Now let us calculate mass of sodium hydroxide. Mass of sodium hydroxide is equal to mole of sodium hydroxide into sodium hydroxide molar mass. Atomic mass of sodium is 23, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass of oxygen is 16, 23 plus 1 plus 16, which is equal to 40 gram per mole. Now, mass of sodium hydroxide is equal to 0.1 mole into 40 gram per mole, which is called 4 gram. Now let us weigh 4 gram of sodium hydroxide, and in step 2, the measured amount of sodium hydroxide transfer into a big beaker, and in step 3, let us add small amount of water and dissolve it to form a solution. This solution is a process of forming solution. Now let us transfer the solution into volumetric flask in step 4. Finally, in step 5, let us fill the volumetric flask until the mark. And the last step, we call it step 6. Now, let us cap it and label it. This one is the final step. Dilution is solution. More concentrated solution plus more solvent form less concentrated solution, and we call it dilution. Simply dilution means changing the more concentrated solution to less concentrated solution by adding more solvent. Or dilution is preparing less concentrated solution from more concentrated solution by adding more solvent. Now let us consider beaker A, which contains 300 ml of water. Beaker B contains again 300 ml of water. Now this solute, and the solute here is sugar, and let us add 3 spoons of sugar in beaker A, and this 3 spoons of sugar dissolved in 300 ml of water to form sugar solution. That means in A we have 3 spoons of sugar in 300 ml of water. In B, let us add 6 spoons of sugar in 300 ml of water, and this 6 spoons of sugar dissolved in 300 ml of water, and finally it forms sugar solution. Now the question here is that which sugar solution is more concentrated and which one is more diluted, A or B? Solution A is diluted because 3 spoon sugar over 300 ml of water, which is equal to 0.01 spoon sugar per ml. But when you come to B, solution B is concentrated because it contains 6 spoon sugar upon 300 ml, which is equal to 0.02 spoon sugar per ml. This 0.02 spoon sugar per ml is greater than 0.01 spoon sugar per ml. That's why B is concentrated and A is diluted because 0.02 is greater than 0.01, and solution A is diluted, but solution B is concentrated. Now let us consider the third beaker C, which contains 900 ml of water and the solitary sugar. And now let us add again 6 spoons of sugar, and this 6 spoons of sugar dissolved in 900 ml of water to form sugar solution. Now the question here is that which one is the most diluted? Solution C is the most diluted solution because it contains 6 spoons of sugar in 900 ml of water, which is equal to 0.00667 spoon sugar per ml, which is much less than 0.02 and 0.01. That's why solution C is the most diluted solution, because it contains 0.00667 spoon sugar per ml. M1 is equal to N1 upon V1, implies that N1 is equal to M1 into V1. Again, M2 is equal to N2 over V2, implies that N2 is equal to M2 into B2. If more solvent is added, volume is increased and concentration of solution changed, but the amount of particles of solid or moles of solid didn't change it. Therefore, N1 is equal to N2, and from this we can say that M1 into V1 is equal to M2 B2. This is, we call it dilution formula. Subscribe the channel, ring the notification bell, and I'll come back with another video. Have a wonderful time. Thank you.